Welcome everyone. Today we will dive into a comprehensive comparison of some top-notch maintenance and facility management software to help you find the perfect fit for your needs. Let's start with MaintainX. With an impressive rating of 4.8, MaintainX offers a robust suite of features. It allows seamless data import-export, enabling effortless integration with existing systems. Its inventory control is top-notch, facilitating precise management of supplies. However, its maintenance management capabilities ensure streamlined operations, empowering users to schedule, track, and resolve tasks efficiently. What's more, real-time data updates keep you in the loop, enhancing overall operational efficiency. Next up, DaySmart Recreation, boasting a commendable rating of 4.2. Similar to MaintainX, it allows data import-export and offers solid inventory control and maintenance management tools. However, where it differs is in real-time data updates. DaySmart Recreation lacks this feature, which may impact instantaneous decision-making in time-sensitive scenarios. Moving on to Upkeep, rated at an impressive 4.7. This software ticks all the boxes with its comprehensive capabilities. Data import-export? Yes. Inventory control? Absolutely. Maintenance management? You bet. And just like MaintainX, Upkeep ensures real-time data updates, empowering users with instant insights for prompt decision-making. WebTMA, rated at an impressive 4.8, stands out in the realm of maintenance management software. It excels in data import-export, inventory control, and maintenance management, aligning with the top performers in the market. Plus, its real-time data updates offers users immediate visibility into operational metrics, fostering proactive management. AkitaBox, also rated at 4.8, is another heavyweight contender. With seamless data import-export functionalities, robust inventory control, and efficient maintenance management tools, it stands shoulder to shoulder with the best. Its real-time data updates further solidify its position as a comprehensive maintenance management solution. Lastly, Yardi Facility Manager, while lacking a specific rating, offers data import-export, inventory control, and maintenance management capabilities. However, it falls short in real-time data updates, which could potentially impact immediate decision-making in critical situations. In conclusion, when it comes to maintenance management software, choosing the right fit is crucial. MaintainX, WebTMA, Upkeep, and AkitaBox excel in providing comprehensive solutions with real-time data updates, while DaySmart Recreation and Yardi Facility Manager might lack this crucial feature. Consider your specific needs and preferences to make an informed decision.